Poland. Our first night we're staying at the Hotel Cristal Park. This is a 4-star hotel. It's about an hour away from Krakow. We've also hired a car. This is our car for the week. Citroen C3. And yeah, this is going to be our first night here. And then we'll be heading to Zakopane. So our car that we've hired for the week was £200. And that includes full cover, full insurance cover, and we also have access to other countries like Slovakia, which we'll be going to. And this is the company we are renting from. We've used them more than once because it's good company, and we really recommend them. We used them last year, and we had somebody hit our car, and we had no problems because we were fully covered. The company, were very good with us, and we didn't have to pay anything extra because we were fully covered. And this is the Citroen C3. This is the back. And this is the front. It's very clean. No mess anywhere. This one looks like with me sitting in the driver's seat. But I'm not driving. My husband drives. And this is the front of the car. And it's a quiet, very quiet car. It's a smooth ride. And got to mention, when we got this car, we got it from the Krakow airport. We had to message the company when we arrived, and then we met them at bus stop 3 outside the airport, and they picked us up within 5 to 10 minutes, and they took us to where the car was, which wasn't far, and about 5-10 minutes away. And then the car was ours. And this is reception. Hi guys, we're staying at the Cristal Hotel Park in Poland. It's about an hour away from Krakow, and this is our room. It's a really generous size room. It's good size. Double bed, chair and table. You have kettle for drinks. We weren't given any of the tea or coffee facilities, but when we came, they didn't have our room ready. They couldn't find our booking. Eventually they found it, but maybe that's why our tea and coffee wasn't here. I'm not sure. But other than that, it was a pretty good hotel. And the bathroom. Oh, we have a fridge. If you want to use. A wardrobe. And bathroom. This hotel room is just over £60 a night, 60 something pound. But for the size it is, it's very good. Breakfast isn't included, but it's not bad. And this is the view outside our room. Swimming pool's just getting ready to be used. Because in Poland today is the last day of school, so the summer holidays are starting. Oh, I only just realised it's cows.
He's walking with cow.